Hi everybody! Today I'm gonna show you how to build the best overhead camera setup for your studio. From my point of view, this is the most reliable and versatile setup that you can build from stuff available on Amazon without breaking the bank. I've tried lots of different setups, including ones that mount to the desk, and whatever you do on your desk, even a slight vibration will be transferred to your camera. So this is as good as it can be for a reasonable price, and that's basically how I shoot all my videos. I'll put all the links in the description below. Let's start with the stands. These are Neewer heavy-duty stands, which cost about 50 bucks. They're super strong and can hold very heavy loads. You can fixate the desired height with the knob and the pin, making it physically impossible for the center column to slip down. Place the stands like this with the legs facing towards the desk. Since these stands have 5/8 inch thread mounts, which are too big for most accessories, we need two adapters to convert the threads to 3/8. A pair of these costs about $10. Next we need two clamps to hold the crossbar. There are a lot of clamps on the market, but I highly recommend using these iFootage heavy-duty clamps. These clamps have two 3/8 screw threads and they're perfectly centered in relation to the stand, which is good for the right weight distribution. To make a crossbar, you'll need several of these poles, depending on your target length. They have a very grippy surface, 27mm in diameter, and are secured together through a threaded connection. Also, there's a screw on the side that goes into that threaded connection, ensuring that the poles will never loosen. There's no way this crossbar will ever bend or break. Let's attach it to the stands and tighten the clamps. To mount the camera, LED panels, and an external monitor, I'm gonna use the SmallRig 10-inch magic arm with a clamp. These arms are very sturdy, easy to adjust, and they can hold pretty heavy things. In case you just need a universal mount with a bunch of screw holes for some adapters and accessories, I recommend using your rig clamps. If you need a script holder, you can use a holder clip like this. As for camera mounting, it's a bit tricky. If you have a small and light camera, just screw it to the arm and you're good to go. In my case, I'm using the Lumix S5 with a 24-105 lens, and there's no way this arm can hold such a heavy camera at such an extreme angle. Even if it could, one day this 1/4 inch screw would definitely snap under such a strain load. But anyway, the SmallRig arm does a fantastic job securely holding the camera in a hanging position. So I bought this Nitze cage, which is the best one on the market for this camera, and as you can see, with the camera mounted like this, it stays firmly in place and the screw is no longer at the breaking point. Then I decided to add a sleek ball head with a quick release plate, which gives me flexibility to quickly attach, remove, turn and adjust camera at any angle. Pretty cool. To power all these devices, I use very long cables, which can be nicely organized with Velcro ties, like so. Then I connect all these cables to this power strip, which has USB-C and USB-A ports. The cool thing about this power strip is that I can turn on or off these USB ports as well as these universal outlets. Some of my devices have not only US plugs, but also UK and European ones. A very useful feature for me. This leather pad comes in different sizes and colors, and that's the final result. So I hope this was helpful and thank you for watching.